We're diving into the world of essential oils in skincare. Essential oils have become super trendy in the skincare world, and for good reason. They smell amazing and boast a ton of potential benefits for our skin, but with all the hype, it's easy to get lost in the excitement and forget that not everything natural is good for our skin. That's why in this video we're going to break down everything you need to know about essential oils in skincare. We'll explore what they are, how they're used in products, and most importantly, whether they live up to the hype. We'll uncover the potential benefits and the risks, so you can make informed decisions about incorporating them into your routine. Because at the end of the day, I want you to have all the information you need to achieve healthy, happy skin. Are you ready to unlock the secrets of essential oils? Let's get started. So, what exactly are essential oils? Imagine this. You're walking through a field of lavender, the sun is shining, the air is buzzing with bees, and you take a deep breath in. Heavenly, right? Essential oils are kind of like bottled-up versions of that incredible scent. They're highly concentrated extracts derived from various parts of plants like the flowers, leaves, roots, or even the bark. These extracts capture the plant's essence, the unique aroma and beneficial compounds that give it its therapeutic properties. They've actually been used for centuries in traditional medicine and aromatherapy, and now they're making their way into our skincare routines, promising a more natural approach to healthy skin. Now, you've probably seen essential oils popping up in all sorts of skincare products, from cleansers to serums to moisturizers, and there's a reason for that. Brands love incorporating them because they can offer a ton of potential benefits for our skin. For example, some essential oils have anti-inflammatory properties, which can be really helpful for calming down redness and irritation. Others have antibacterial properties that can help combat acne. And let's not forget about their amazing scents, which can turn your skincare routine into a spa-like experience. But here's the thing. Not all essential oils are created equal. Some are more potent than others, and some skin types can be sensitive to certain oils. That's why it's super important to use them correctly to avoid any potential irritation or adverse reactions. Okay, so we've talked about what essential oils are and how they're used in products. Now let's address the big question, are they good or bad for your skin? And the answer, my friends, is it's complicated. It's not a simple yes or no. Like I mentioned before, essential oils can offer a ton of potential benefits. They can be incredibly soothing and calming for the skin, and they can even target specific concerns like acne or dryness. But here's the catch, they're also very potent, which means they have a higher chance of irritating the skin, especially if you have sensitive skin. Remember, just because something is natural doesn't mean it's automatically good for you. Even water can be harmful in excess, right? So the key with essential oils is moderation and careful selection. Now I know you're probably wondering which essential oils are commonly used in skincare and what they're good for. So, let's talk about a few popular ones. First, we have lavender oil. Lavender oil is like the rock star of essential oils. It's known for its calming and soothing properties, making it great for all skin types, even sensitive skin. Then we have tea tree oil, which is a powerful antibacterial agent. Tea tree oil is often used to target blemishes and fight acne. Another popular one is rosehip oil, which is rich in antioxidants and is known for its ability to hydrate and brighten the skin. And we can't forget about chamomile oil, which is known for its anti-inflammatory properties, making it great for soothing irritation and redness. Lastly, we have peppermint oil, which has a cooling and refreshing effect on the skin. It can be helpful for reducing inflammation and soothing itchy skin. If you're thinking about incorporating essential oils into your skincare routine, that's awesome. But before you do, I want to give you some important tips to make sure you're using them safely and effectively. First and foremost, always do a patch test before applying any new essential oil to your face. Apply a small amount to an inconspicuous area of your skin, like your inner arm, and wait 24 hours to see if you experience any irritation. If you have sensitive skin, it's best to dilute essential oils with a carrier oil like jojoba oil or almond oil before applying them to your face. And lastly, remember that a little goes a long way. Start with a small amount and gradually increase the amount as needed. If you're unsure about using essential oils or have any concerns, it's always best to consult with a dermatologist or skincare professional. So there you have it. We've explored the good, the bad, and everything in between when it comes to essential oils in skincare. Remember, they can be amazing additions to your routine, but it's crucial to use them with caution and listen to your skin. If you're new to essential oils, start slow, do your research, and don't be afraid to seek professional advice. Your skin will thank you for it. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe.